we start this lesson, I would like everyone to view this piece of paper with glitter on it. I would like you to look at it and make observations in your head. After viewing that piece of paper, you might think to yourself, the glitter seems very small. There are many pieces of glitter. Some of the glitter is close together, and some of the glitter is spread out. So similar to how the glitter is on this paper, stars are the same way in the sky. Today we're going to discuss a little bit about stars and how we could view them better. Who in here thinks that they know what the shape of a star is? Probably a lot of you. Do a lot of you think that this is what a star looks like? Yeah, I figured most of you did. However, this is actually not what a star looks like. When we look in the sky and we look at stars, this is what we're looking at. Stars are made from hot gases. They are very hot and they are very bright. Therefore, the stars that we see in the sky are these round little balls of gases. They are not what we believe to be this. Remember when we looked at that piece of paper at the beginning of this lesson with all the glitter on it? This paper right here? We observed that there appeared to be millions of little pieces of glitter on the paper. Just like the glitter on the paper, there are millions of stars in the sky. Who in here thinks that they could count a million things? Probably not a lot of you. I don't think I could do it. Because of that, we are not able to easily count the stars in the sky. Just like on the paper also, the glitter is very scattered. It is not spread evenly either. Some of the glitter up here is very close together, while other pieces of glitter are very spread out. Just like this paper, the stars are scattered all over the sky and not evenly spread out. This uneven spacing makes it even harder for us to try to count how many of them there are. The glitter on the paper also appears very small. Let's view it again. Just like the glitter on the paper appears very small, the stars in the sky appear very small as well. That is because the stars are millions of miles away from Earth. Therefore, when we look at them with just the naked eye, or just our eyes right here, they appear very small. However, there is a way that we can view the stars in which they look bigger. To do this, you need a magnifier. So what is a magnifier, you might ask? A magnifier is a tool that makes objects appear bigger or larger. For example, this is a magnifying glass. When I hold it in front of my eye gets a lot bigger. I'm going to hold the magnifying glass in front of the paper with the glitter on it. See how the glitter gets bigger as I hold the magnifying glass over it? I don't want you to get confused though. I don't want you to think that the magnifying glass actually makes the glitter size bigger. All the magnifying glass does is magnify the way the glitter looks to our eyes. So when we look through the magnifying glass like this, I can see that the glitter is bigger. I know the magnifying glass can make the glitter on the paper appear larger, but can it make the stars in the sky appear larger? No. This magnifying glass is too small and is not strong enough to make the stars above us appear larger when I look through it. However, there is a tool that does that. This tool is known as a telescope. This is what a telescope looks like. When you look through a telescope, you put your eye down here and you point the other end towards the sky. Therefore, when you look through it, the magnifying lens on this end makes the stars appear much larger than what they actually look like without the telescope. Let's review what we have learned. Stars are balls of gas. There are millions of stars in the nighttime sky. Stars cannot be easily counted. Stars are not evenly spread out in the sky. A magnifier can make objects appear larger. A telescope can help you see the stars better and more clearly. And most importantly, this is not what stars look like when we look in the sky. This is what stars actually look like. I hope that after this lesson, you now have a better understanding of stars and how we can view them better.